And I would hold it up to try, but it's very hot. So let's give it a taste test. And I'm going to give the rest to Lucy. Just kidding. Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Mitchell Ringos. I'm a videographer, photographer living in Canada. And if you have not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you keep up with all my new videos. And we're getting close to 100 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. With that being said, in today's video, we are doing another eating video. And today, we are eating ramen noodle bowls. So we have 3 different kinds of ramen noodle and also a drink today that we're going to be trying for your entertainment. So I hope you enjoy the video. First up, we're starting with the drink just because I might need it to drink throughout the video. So the drink we have is called Aloe Drink Vera. So this is what it looks like. So this says it has 0 calories, sugar-free, and also has no preservatives in it. It's 500 milliliters, and it's green. It's also warm, which I feel like is not going to help how it tastes. Presentation, I'll give it an 8. It looks pretty cool with the green, I'm not going to lie. Smell-wise, 10. That smells delicious, wow. I hope the taste matches up. Kristen's over there laughing, so I don't think it's going to. That tastes great. That tastes so good. 10.
Is there chunks in it? Did you get the chunks yet?
Ugh, why is there chunks?
That's the aloe vera. That's why I feel like you were gonna like it.
Okay, well it tastes good, but then there's chunkies in it, so I don't... We're gonna bring it down to an 8. Because I don't like the chunks. I'll probably try and avoid them. That was pretty good. If you're looking for a cool drink, get some aloe vera. Okay, so you can definitely rub this all over yourself to make yourself smooth.
No, aloe vera is the plant that helps with sunburns.
Okay, so you could dump this on your head and you would not ever get sunburned. Don't try it at home. Next up, we have our first noodle bowl, which is a French-Japanese style soba. It's called Sanukiya Soba. If I'm getting that wrong, sue me. I don't know. This is a hard word, but this has 2 older gentlemen, one wearing a blue shirt, one wearing a yellow shirt, and they're like stringing noodles all the way up, if you can see. So presentation, definitely a 10 because it's got some art on it. We always love art on our food. And we're going to go cook this right now to see if it actually smells and tastes good. So let's go do that. So it's now cooked. As you can see, the steam, I can't really show inside, but pretty much looks like noodles. Looks like some green flakes and some white cornish looking things. All right, she's coming up. No, I'm filming a video, Lucy. Okay, so while she's biting me, I'm gonna try this food now. So I'm gonna, smell wise, I'd say an 8. It doesn't smell the best, but it doesn't smell that bad. I think Lucy likes it because she just wants to eat it, right? You want to eat it. So let's take a taste test. I don't have chopsticks here, so I'm just going to use a fork, so sorry for that. But let's try. Good bite. Is that a lot? Look at her. Lucy. No, okay. Well, Lucy seems to love it. An 8 on taste. That was pretty good. I kind of like that. This is the first time I've ever had ramen also, so first taste test was good. I like it. I would actually eat this whole thing, I think. So this, for the first one, very good. We're moving on to our second ramen bowl now, and I'm going to give the rest to Lucy. Just kidding. So next up we have, this is King Lobster flavored noodle grande format. So this is what it looks like.
Mitchell, that's in French. That's a French version.
Well, that's the French version. And this is a bigger one than the last one. I'm not too big of a fan of lobster, but I'd give it presentation-wise a 10 because it looks pretty cool. Like, it's got a huge lobster on it. But let's go cook this one, and then we're going to try it out. So we're back with the king crab, lobster, whatever it's called. You can see the steam rising. Smell wise, 2. Oh, I do not like lobster. It smells like a lobster. And I would hold it up to try, but it's very hot. So let's give it a taste test. So taste doesn't taste as bad as it smells. I give it a 6. It doesn't taste too much like crab. It actually kind of tastes pretty good. And I feel a little bit of spice on my tongue. So it is a bit hot, but not as hot as our third one. So overall, very good. I still like the first one better, but this one tastes good. It's just the smell I'm not a fan of. So we are going to move on to our third and final ramen noodle bowl, which is going to be hot and spicy bowl noodles. And this is chicken flavor. So this is what it looks like. I got this one because it's supposed to be very hot. Overall presentation, I'd give it an 8 because it's just a picture of the noodles, but the noodles do look very good on the package. So we're gonna go cook our third and final ramen noodle bowl, and we will see who is the winner. So our final item is done, as you can see from the steam. Smell wise, this one smells the least out of the other two, which is kind of weird, but I'm scared for taste because usually stuff that doesn't smell and it's supposed to be hot is like ridiculously hot. But I've ate a 9 million Scoville unit candy, so this will be nothing. Smell was like an 8. No, smell was like a 6. And taste wise, I give that one a 9. It tasted the best, I think. It tastes really good. It's not too hot. I'm assuming if I ate the whole bowl, it'd be pretty hot, but I'm not going to do that. So overall, I think this one was my favorite out of all of them, even though it might not have the best ratings, but I like this one the most. All 3 were very good. If you like ramen noodles, comment down below what your favorite ramen noodle is, and maybe I'll try it one day. So that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and also my new TikTok, where I'm posting 2 videos per day. So you make sure you want to see that. This has been Eating Ramen Noodles as a picky eater. I hope you enjoyed. With that being said, stay positive, keep creating, and until next time, peace.